In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your remote. This is from a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, but it applies to 2019, 2024 GMC related vehicles, also some of the SUVs. So your key fob looks like this. This is the video you're looking for. To get started, all you need is a flathead screwdriver, some CR2032 batteries, just one of them, and then of course your key fob. So let's get it popped open. So all you got to do is press the side button over here, take your key out with the flathead screwdriver. There's two holes on the top. This is facing down, and then one in the middle. You want to go and on the one in the middle, put your screwdriver there and turn it like a key. You hear it pop open, and then just keep popping it open. If your board moves, grab it by the edges and gently seat it back down. This is okay to touch, just so you know. And then your battery is located on the back side here. So with the screwdriver, pop it up, get the new one in, positive side down. Make sure you hear a snap. Boom, just like that. Double check that your board is seated all the way down. Mine is. And then put the back cover back on and press down on it. Put your key back in. And just like that, you got a new battery. That message should be gone. You shouldn't be stranded because of this, and you shouldn't have to replace it in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, however long it takes. But now you know how to do it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys' support. Peace out, guys.